here to see G Idol. We just got back to the city. We are actually going to Derry's place in a bit. It was his birthday a few days ago, but they were in Japan, so we couldn't celebrate. So tonight, we're gonna sort of throw a surprise for him. Wow. We don't know how to stick the candle in this cake. I don't know how I feel about this. We're heading upstairs.
Uber 司机问我是不是在 carry a pot？
切吧。
是真的。这是 yuzu， 这应该是 lemon 或是 yuzu curd。
Happy birthday! Hey everyone! I am currently packing because this weekend Evan and I are actually going to LA. He's going there for work, but we figured might as well make a short trip out of it. I'm pretty excited. I'll also be able to see some of my friends that are in LA. I still have to work, so pretty much the only day that we're gonna have some free time to do stuff and meet people is gonna be Saturday. So he's already in LA because basically his schedule starts at 9 today. He would have gone last night, but because we already bought tickets for G Idol, he decided to fly out first thing this morning. Yeah, we'll meet up there tonight. Here's my airport outfit. Let's go. Found it. To the room finally. That was a pretty long flight, but yeah, Evan is still out. I'm pretty hungry. I've only had a breakfast sandwich all day. I'm gonna look at Uber Eats and see what I can find. So I ordered a bunch of tacos. I think I ordered a little too much. I got one street taco and some pork and like nachos. I didn't know it was gonna be this big, but okay. Just some chips too. Good morning. I've been working because it's Friday. I had a couple of meetings. Evan is already at his work thing, so he's gonna be gone most of the day, so it's just me. Now I have some downtime, so I want to go across the street from the hotel to get a coffee. Let's go. Weather is so nice here. Even though the temperature is similar to temperature in New York, I feel like because we're by the water, it just feels so much nicer and the air is so much more fresh. I literally just crossed the street, but I don't know why crossing the street here feels so embarrassing. It just feels like people are watching you and think you're weird. Like, why are you walking? We're here. It's called Pure Bean. Let's try it out. I'm back in the hotel, but I just came down to the lobby to do some more work. There's actually a really nice view of the ocean. Hey everyone, I just took a little break after working and Evan was also here for a bit, but he's with work people again now and they're also having dinner and that's the last item on their schedule. So we can finally start hanging out. But yeah, so it's still just gonna be me for dinner. I made a reservation at an Italian restaurant at Manhattan Beach. And so I'm thinking I'm just gonna go grab a really early dinner and then just chill, walk around the area, walk by the water and catch the sunset. Yep, thank you.
Okay.
Hi, I have a reservation on the Mark. I already looked at their menu earlier and there's a bone marrow pasta that I really want to try. Can I get the fennel salad? The bone marrow pasta? That's the fennel salad. Kind of looks like noodles. That's the bone marrow pasta. That's pretty much what I came here for. I love bone marrow, so anytime there's anything bone marrow on the menu, I just want to get it. I taste the bone marrow. So good. I love the texture of these noodles. Guys, I'm so glad I came. At first I was thinking maybe I should just get delivery in the hotel because I'm lazy and also kind of introverted. I hate coming out to eat by myself. Sometimes I just feel weird. But today I just felt like being adventurous. Are you kidding me? It's so freaking nice. Hello, I'm back. Tomorrow, Evan is finally done with all this work stuff. We will finally be enjoying this trip together. I feel like the way that I've been filming the vlog, it totally looks like I'm just on a solo trip. Like, what am I doing here? Like, why am I here? Good morning. Look who's here.
It's not a solo trip.
We're about to go pick up our rental. We're in the car. The weather is so gross right now. We're gonna get some coffee first and maybe get a pastry, and then we're gonna head to lunch. Lunch is like about an hour away. That's what I hate about LA. It's just so much driving in between destinations. I got a pesto Danish and a coffee cinnamon cake. Our ETA keeps pushing back because we're stuck in heavy traffic. How do people live like this? There's a Macau cafe. We finally parked. This is where we're eating.
西式的另外一个，大概你要考虑8分钟，然后好像上了2个礼拜才上完，我就挂在那个最严格的那个
Just finished lunch. The sun is finally
Head east toward
out.
East Las Tunas Drive.
We are headed to a coffee shop near K-Town. It's called Camel. We actually went there when we were in Korea, and they recently opened a spot in LA. So good. We are back at the Manhattan Beach Pier because he was doing work things this whole past 2 days, so we're gonna go back to the hotel to freshen up a little bit, and then we're gonna meet up with some of my friends from law school. We're meeting up in Beverly Hills. Let's go. All right, time to head out again. for tonight. We're here in Beverly Hills. My friend told us to just meet on the sky deck. Oh, so nice. I feel like I'm in Selling Sunset. Look at this indoor-outdoor space.
And will they stay?
Oh! Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh. Hey guys, we're at Ichiran right now. We're grabbing a quick dinner before Love concert. Andrew got a matcha beer. Is it good? Thank you. I觉得不错啊。
我觉得还不错。
但你刚从日本回来，不要
对，
不要强求。
To be young and in love.
Hey everyone, happy Saturday! Oh my god, look at the weather outside. It's so gloomy, rainy. It looks like it's the perfect day to just chill at home. But today we're actually going to a concert at Central Park. It's called Global Citizen Festival. They do it every year. People can enter their emails and win tickets for free. They can also buy tickets. I think it's like $100 each. But I entered this year because Lisa from Blackpink is gonna be performing and I won! Evan and I and some other friends are gonna go and check it out. So they don't allow umbrellas at this festival, so we got ponchos. And they're $10 each. Good morning. We are finally having our housewarming party tonight. I know it's way long overdue. It's already October and we moved here in like July. So it's been warmed. I feel like a lot of people were gone during the summer and we were still trying to get this place furnished. So I feel like today just made the most sense. Super excited. We have about more than 27 people RSVP'd and I'm a little concerned because I don't know how we're gonna fit that many people in this room. I mean, it's gonna be tight, it's gonna be cozy, it's fine. Later, I'm going into Manhattan to take a dance class. Once I get home from the dance class, we'll tidy up the place, get ready, get any like last minute things. Here's what I'm wearing for dance class. I found these pants at Adidas. I love how flowy they are and how baggy they are. I feel like they're the perfect dancing pants. Wow. This place looks so cute right now. We're gonna have a little Polaroid station here. Oh, how sweet.
超 sweet 吗？为大家开箱。
的开箱。
Hello.
好可爱哦！
哇！